We're not going to scuba dive. We're not trying to re-underwrite the entire file and pull up 100 issues ahead of time. We want some basic information. What type of policies do they have? What are the basic limits? Friends, Stephen Harrington, Dakota, performance partner here at Agency Performance Partners, wanted to talk to you today a little bit about how to prepare for an insurance renewal call. The first thing I want to do is take a deep breath, have that no drama llama moment. And remember, we're just here to snorkel and stay at the surface. We're not scuba diving down deep. So we need to open up our call sheet and get ready. And what we really want to do is make sure that we're getting basic information for the client. We want to check and see, do we have a phone number in file? Who's all listed on the policies? Who's listed as additional drivers, or who else would be a contact? Do we have current email address? What is it that's in their file that we can use? We don't want to bounce around to 27 different places and try to re-underwrite the entire account, which a lot of agents tend to do when we first start doing renewal reviews. When we're preparing, we literally want just a basic amount of information, enough to complete the form to the best of our ability, and we want to pick up the phone and make the call. Completing the sheet is not the most important part of the task. Talking with the client is. We can always gather additional information or go and look at our carrier website or other website as we're talking to the client if we need additional information. So just remember, we need to stay at the surface and we're going to snorkel. We're not going to scuba dive. We're not trying to re-underwrite the entire file and pull up 100 issues ahead of time. We want some basic information. What type of policies do they have? What are the basic limits? Can we tell in our management system what their billing plan is? And if we don't know that out of our management system, we can move along. If we need to talk to the client about it, we're welcome to do so, and we can get the information once we get the client live. So we want to make sure that we're taking time to identify any missing coverages that the client might have. We want to look at their current limits and see that they meet the agency standard. And we really just want to keep it at that higher level until we talk to the client. We then want to reach out with a phone call. And if they don't answer, we can leave a voicemail and we'll follow that up with an email. But when we're getting ready, we really just need basic information. We need enough information that we can have a smart conversation with the client, but we're going to ask a lot of questions and get a lot more details out of the clients on the phone. So again, I want you to take a deep breath, have your no drama llama moment, and remember, we want to snorkel, not scuba dive when completing the account review forms. So we need to prepare mentally as well as with our sheet so that we can have a great conversation with the client and provide a wow moment. Talk to you again soon.